How can you define a custom message in ROS? My name is Tiziano, and if you're new to the channel, welcome. This is a series about ROS, the robot operating system, and especially ROS and Raspberry Pi. In the last two videos, we created a simple publisher and a simple subscriber node, both in Python, for sharing that information using a standard message string. But what if you want to create your own message? That's not hard at all, and we're gonna learn it in this tutorial. So let's go to the laptop. So now we want to create a custom message. First thing we want to do is go into our package, and now in the package itself we want to create a message folder. So make dir message. Now in this message folder is where we want to put all the custom message that we built. Every message file has to have an extension msg. Test custom message .msg. Okay, and we want to open it. So here I have just to write all the fields that I want in my message, and let's create a custom message that has a string value that we call data, and an integer like an int32 counter. Once we have created our custom message file, we need to modify the CMakeList and packages.xml. So let's open CMakeList first. So let's open it up. And as you see, CMakeList, there are most of the fields are commented out. So in the find package, we need message generation. In the add message files, we need to put our custom message file. In the generate messages, we put standard messages as dependencies. And in the catkin package, we want to be sure that we include message runtime as a catkin depends. Now we need to open the package.xml. So we need message generation as a build dependency, and we need message runtime as executive dependency and build export dependency. And now I'm in the catkin workspace, and I can write catkin make. Good. As you see, it generated all the code that is necessary for our custom message. Now we can use the custom message that we defined. In order to do that, let's modify the publisher and subscriber nodes that we created last time. So the test publisher custom now is going to import our custom message. The publisher is going to publish on the same topic, and the type of message is going to be test custom message. And the message to publish is going to be of type test custom message. This is the string that we want to publish, and this is the counter. Let's put this string in the data, and let's put the counter in the counter field of the message to publish. And we publish this. And let's launch this publisher. We make the file executable. Now we launch our publisher. Now let's check that everything is working okay using the ROS topic echo command. Now, as you see, we have both data of type string and counter of type integer. Now this message can be also read by a subscriber node. Let's modify our subscriber node by using these custom message. So we copy from the publisher custom, we put it in the subscriber custom, and we use this test custom message for changing the string into test custom message. Now in the callback function, I can have the string received is message.data, and the counter received is message.counter. And let's print only the counter. So in our terminal, ROS run and test subscriber custom. Here it goes. It's receiving the message and is correctly parsing the message and printing just the counter. Okay guys, I think that it's all for today. I thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss the next step, and I'll see you guys next time.